Pisces, welcome back to Distilled Tarot. My name is Shannon. I'll be guiding you through today's reading. This is going to be our daily reading for Thursday, May 27th. Let's see what's going on with Pisces. At the heart of your reading, we have the Four of Wands reversed. You may have recently changed a goal that you'd been working toward, or changed the timetable with at which you plan to achieve this goal. It's also possible that the change was in an event that represented some sort of accomplishment or achievement, like a graduation or a wedding. May have been canceled or postponed. Show me the challenge. Seven of Wands, feeling like you need to defend yourself in some way, like you're under attack or people are trying to take from you. What is Pisces focused on? The King of Swords, so you want to make wise decisions. You may be soliciting advice, asking people that you trust on this subject, what should I do, what do you think? And then forming your own opinion about the most logical, wise choice that you can make. With the Knight of Swords here at the bottom of the deck, that says not only are you the one to make the decision, but you're also likely the one to act on that decision. It's not like you're going to make a decision and then tell other people what they have to do. I think this is you making a decision based on what you need to do. In the recent past, we have the Eight of Swords. Feeling like there's no way out, there's no solution, you're limited in some way, or not seeing the solution that's like right in front of your face. Show me the energy of the environment. Death in reverse says that you're coming out of a period of loss. A lot of things have been changing in your life, a lot of things have been ending, but you're starting to see the light at the end of the tunnel. The Ten of Cups is appearing on the horizon, because that's what death energy is all about. It clears away everything that's no longer serving you in order to make room for things that are going to be bigger, better, more enjoyable, bringing a greater degree of emotional fulfillment. The experience of going through that process isn't always easy. Most often it's quite difficult, because from the human perspective, when we experience loss, it's difficult, it's painful, it's challenging, it's like scary. But the reversal of the death energy, to me, usually indicates that you've passed the midpoint. So it's the phase of loss is over, and now it's about assessing the space that's been created in your life and determining where the opportunity lies. It's like a tornado's gone through your life, and you've been like damage control, like I need to protect myself. There's a lot of things changing. It seems like the goalpost keeps moving with this Four of Wands reversed. I'm trying to do the right thing, but the factors are still in flux. So it's like, okay, the storm has passed, and now you can come out of your shelter and assess what is still standing, what raw materials are available, what needs to be cleared away and thrown away because it's ruined and it's trash now, and what needs to be, like, what can be erected in its place. And the metaphor of the death energy in tarot is that what comes after is better than what existed before. In the near future, we have the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. This is kind of what I was just touching on. It's like, it's surveying the space that's available in your life now after all of the rubble has been cleared, and envisioning, oh, this is where I can build my new life. I can envision it now. I can see what I want to exist in its place. It's going to be abundant. It's going to be amazing. And I know what I want. I know what I want to build for myself. Show me surprise energy. Two of Swords in reverse. So, is it a decision that they've already made? Yes. What about? It's strange. It feels like a decision that you've made that you forgot that you'd made is going to pop back up. I think the reason why I'm not getting specifics is because that's going to manifest differently in some of your lives. Like, it could be a seminar you forgot you'd signed up for. You're going to get the reminder email, or a class you'd enrolled in, or something you purchased that was like a Kickstarter campaign from a year ago and you forgot, and the thing finally arrives in the mail. I'm not sure if there's like a bigger implication or if it's just something synchronistic. Give me one more, please, to clarify the Two of Swords. Ten of Swords reversed. It's just something that you're not thinking about anymore. Once you made the decision, you were done with it, and it's like out of your mind. But the fallout or the implication or the result of the decision is something that has yet to play out, and it's going to pop up in your life somehow. Show me hopes and fears. What is Pisces hopeful for? What are they concerned about? We have the Five of Swords with the Page of Swords. Okay. So this combination says that you feel like any communication in a certain situation is going to lead to a fight. You might be hopeful that you'll have the courage to say what needs to be said regardless of the fact that you know that it's going to be, that the person's going to disagree. Or you might be dreading this, like, I really hope that they don't reach out to me because it's just going to lead to an argument. How do these energies resolve for Pisces? Seven of Pentacles reversed. This is that turning the corner in the death energy where there are things that you'd been investing in or working toward, building, like resources, your time, yourself, like your energy, your time, your money had been going toward building things that were part of the old structures of your life. Now, there are elements, like we talked about, that have caused things to end in your life, that you can sweep those things away. And this Seven of Pentacles reversed is you making those determinations about what you're no longer investing in. The clearing of the field, with like turning that into an agricultural metaphor. Like, okay, those crops are ruined, or I'm no longer planting corn, so let me, like, I don't know the right terminology to use, let me bulldoze that field so that I can plant fresh. And advice. Move on to the next cycle. Let the past go. The next cycle is going to be much better. The Wheel of Fortune says you're leveling up. This is all happening for you, not to you. The easier you are able to adjust to the changes that are happening, the more positive of an experience you're going to have. There's a lot of good fortune that is going to come your way, but like I said, the challenge is resisting it. The challenge is this natural human tendency to resist change, to be uncomfortable with it, to be scared by it, to try and stop it or slow it down. So the more you can kind of turn into the wind, or I don't know, like, work with the energy, work in the flow of what's happening rather than against it. Like don't try to row upstream, sort of an energy. I know I'm throwing a lot of metaphors at you here, but this is saying, like, many good things are happening. It's a recognition and an acknowledgement that yes, a lot is changing in your life, but it's all for the greater good. It's for your greater good. And if you can embrace that and go roll with it, there's like reward coming your way. So Pisces, I hope that helped. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you back tomorrow. Bye.